Hi folks, I've just bought this Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G and I'll be doing the unboxing of it. Looking at the box itself, it's quite a slim box, which tells me these bastards have taken away the charger. So let's just unbox it and find out. So there we go. I'm gonna break the seal with the thumb. That wasn't difficult. It's pretty straightforward. There you go. So now let's take out the device. There you go. There's something stuck on the inside of the box as well. So all the pamphlets, etc. SIM ejecting tool. And some warranty booklets in the actual sleeve. There you go. Quick start guide, I think. There you go. Never used one of those, so won't need it. And then that's the phone. Quite a big phone, to be honest. And that's some more booklets or whatever's in there. Actually, it's got the charging cable, no charger as expected. I remember Samsung mocking Apple for no charger, but there you go. Right, so there you go. So got the phone nice and shiny, quite massive, and what I've learned about the phone is basically it's got a nice color apparently. So let's look at it. And wow, that is beautiful. I can tell you that this phone looks amazing. The matte finish on the back just makes it brilliant. There you go. Look at the camera module as well. It's really nice looking phone. 10 out of 10 for the looks. Definitely recommended when it comes to the looks. Yep. So I'm just gonna fire up the phone, obviously have a play with it. So let's set it all up. There you go. Feels quite premium as well, quite heavy, nicely heavy I would say. And then obviously, as I said, the looks itself, the back looks brilliant. There you go, that's the front screen, quite massive. Quite an edge-to-edge display. Just set this all up. Right, I'm just going to set this all up and then fire it up and then get back to you guys. So I've done the setup. Obviously I haven't put any details in there yet, but I've just done the basic setup. It's ready to use as it's there. So basically the phone looks really nice, the display is beautiful, it's quite an edge-to-edge display. So you've got a little bit of chin over here and a very little bit at the top as well. That's pretty much it really. Besides that, you can't see many bezels or anything. There is obviously this front-facing camera cutout, but it's really minimal. As you can see, it's quite a tiny little cutout over there. But besides that, it looks it's a beautiful screen. I can tell you the back itself is amazing. I mean, it's nice matte finish. Obviously you can see some of my fingerprints there, but yeah, there you go. Look at that screen, the body, it's really nice. The detailed cutouts and everything, it's really nicely done. The housing itself is glossy. I haven't taken out the plastic yet. I will be taking it out, and there you go. So that's the phone for you. Right, so thanks for watching the video and hopefully you've enjoyed it. Thank you.